Why your effort isn't working, the science of motivation. You work hard, you stay consistent, you keep pushing, but somehow, your effort never seems to pay off. It's not that you're lazy, it's that something deeper is happening. Today, we're diving into the science behind why your effort might not be working, and what you can do to finally make it count. The motivation trap. In psychology, there's something called the motivation misalignment theory. It says people often put effort into tasks that don't activate the brain's reward system, specifically the dopamine loop. Dopamine isn't about pleasure, it's about anticipation of reward. If your brain doesn't believe your effort will pay off, dopamine drops. You lose drive, you lose consistency. So your effort feels heavy, not because you're weak, but because your brain doesn't see a reason to keep spending energy. Wrong feedback loop. Here's another scientific reason: feedback loops. Human brains need evidence that effort equals progress. If you're studying, working, or building something, but the results are invisible for weeks or months, your brain stops releasing motivational chemicals. That's why people give up right before success. The feedback delay tricks your brain into thinking you've failed. To fix this, break goals into small steps. Each small win reactivates dopamine, proving to your brain that effort does work. The cognitive overload problem. Your effort might also fail because your brain is overloaded. The prefrontal cortex, which handles focus and decision-making, can only manage a few tasks effectively. When you multitask or constantly switch goals, you drain what scientists call cognitive energy. So you end up working hard but with low efficiency, like a phone running 20 apps at once. Focus is a biological advantage. When you channel your mental resources into one clear goal, the brain's reward and learning systems sync, and that S when effort starts to pay off. The hidden enemy, cortisol. Let's talk about stress. High effort plus low reward, chronic cortisol buildup. Cortisol is your body's stress hormone, and too much of it blocks memory, creativity, and motivation. That's why when you feel stuck, it's harder to think clearly or stay inspired. Your brain isn't lazy, it's in survival mode. To fix this, you need rest, not guilt. Good sleep, proper food, and time away from screens reset your brain chemistry and make your effort effective again. Rewiring effort doesn't fail because you're not trying hard enough. It fails because your system is misaligned with how the human brain actually works. So, align your goals with meaning, shorten your feedback loops, protect your focus, and manage stress. Do that, and your effort will finally start working for you, not against you. Because the secret isn't to do more, it's to understand why you do it.